Hello, students. I'm here to show you that math is fun. So, we want to catch fun with this, okay? I want to show you how or why we can say 1 plus 1 is equals to 3. So, let's start solution. Now, the first thing I will do is to let you know that, of course, 1 is still equals to what? 1. It doesn't change. Now, since I have this, then the next thing is I'm going to pick 3 consecutive special numbers. I'm going to pick 4, 5, and 6. So I have 4, 5, and 6. These are the numbers that I'm picking. Now, why am I picking this? Now, just watch what I'm going to do. Do you know that 4 squared plus 5 squared can actually be written as 16 plus 25, which is equals to 41? And at the same time, if I have 5 squared plus 6 squared can actually be written as 25 plus 36, which is equals to 61. Now, because I have this and I know that 1 is equals to 1, nothing changes, then I can now come down to have 41 minus 40 will be the same thing as 61 minus 60. Of course, 41 minus 40 is 1, 61 minus 60 is 1. So I have not changed anything. We are on course. We are okay. Now, since I have this, I will now go back and substitute my squares, okay, for 41 and 61. So 41 now is the same thing as saying 4 squared plus 5 squared. Then I have minus 40 is equals to 5 squared plus 6 squared. Then minus 60. I have it. Now, remember I said they are special, the 3 consecutive numbers. Now, because they are special, do you know that 40 can be written as 2 times 4 times 5? Which is the same thing as saying 2 into 4 times 5. So also 60 can be written as 2 times 5 times 6, which is 2 into 5 times 6. Close bracket. Now I'll take it back and fix it. That is, I'll substitute for 40 and 60. So what I'm going to have is 4 squared plus 5 squared minus, instead of 40, I'll have 2 into 4 times 5. Then it's the same thing as 5 squared plus 6 squared minus 2 into 5 times 6. Remember I told you they're special. Okay, now this special expression is actually a product of something. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Now, if I have x minus y all squared, do you know what that would be? That would be x squared minus 2xy then plus y squared. Rearranging it, x minus y all squared will be equals to x squared plus y squared, watch, then minus 2xy. Do you know what that means? That means if I have 4 minus 5 all squared, just watch, will be equals to 4 squared plus 5 squared minus 2 into 4 times 5. Okay, which is what I have here. So I say, okay, what I will do now is to substitute them. So instead of having that, I'm going to have 4 minus 5 all squared. The same thing here. I'm going to have what? 6 minus 5 all squared. Okay, good. Now, we know that if I have a squared is equals to b squared, you know, this squared can cancel this square. So I'll now come down to say, oh, now I have what? 4 minus 5 will be equals to 6 minus 5. Do you know why? Because the square will cancel themselves. Now, since I have this, then I will now have, I will now take this, okay, to this side, so that I have 4 is equals to 6 minus 5 plus 5. So it means that 4 is equals to, these two cancel out, is equals to 6. Now, if I decide to divide both sides by 2, this over 2, this over 2, do you know what I'll have? I'll have 2 is equals to 3. Okay. Remember, conventionally, we have what? 1 plus 1 is equals to what? 2. So I'll now substitute these 2 so that I will have 1 plus 1 is equals to 3. Wow, I've gotten it. So it's just for fun, okay? You can now see that we've proven that 1 plus 1 is equals to 3. I want to believe you love these tricks and you love everything about it. So please subscribe and keep watching very wonderful videos.